In which of the following animals is respiration done by skin? Answer is option B, frog. Which is the longest snake in the world? Answer is option C, reticulated python. Syrinx is the voice box in? Answer option B, birds. Name of the largest bird of prey in the world. Answer option A, Andean condor. Which one among the following cattle breed produces highest amount of milk? Answer option B, Holstein. The tortoise belongs to the which class of animals? Answer option A, reptiles. Wild goats and snow leopards are found in? Answer option D, Himalayan region. The main excretory organs of insects and spiders are? Answer option B, Malpighian tubules. Which of the following is the world's largest rodent? Answer option A, capybara. Which animal's scientific name is Pan-troglodytes? Answer option B, chimpanzee. Which animal's breeds are known as Irish drought and Trakehner? Answer option C, horse. The young one of hen is called? Answer option B, chick. The period after parturition in which animal produces milk is called as? Answer lactation period. What color is a giraffe's tongue? Answer purple. How many years can a cat live up to? Answer up to 20 years. The animals in which the body cavity is absent are known as? Answer echolomates. Which of the following body part is used by snake for smelling? Answer option C, tongues. Equus asinus is the scientific name of? Answer is option B, donkey. The young one of goose is called? Answer option C, gosling. The wing of a bat and the wing of bird are the example of dash limbs. Answer analogous. The fish that can taste with its whole body is the? Answer catfish. A female fox is known as what? Answer option D, vixen. Which is the state bird of Karnataka state? Answer option A, Indian roller. A ladybug or ladybird has how many legs? Answer option B, 6 legs. A saluki is what kind of animal? Answer option C, dog. Which land snake is known as the fastest moving snake in this world? Answer option B, black mamba. Pashmina shawl is made from the hair of. Answer option D, goat. What is the maximum running land speed of crocodile? Answer is option D, 17 km per hour. Which bird lays the smallest egg? Answer option B, hummingbird. What is the nest of an eagle called? Answer option D, eyrie.